Arihant Superstructures presents
affordable housing in half the price of Kharghar at an address of future developments. Welcome to Arihant Anaika, your 5.5-acre riverside county offering 1, 2 and 3 BHK homes surrounded by lavish lifestyle for a most memorable luxury living experience at the most affordable price you have ever imagined. Conveniently located at Taloja, which is the starting point of the upcoming metro station. An address near to Kharghar Golf Course and Central Park. Taloja is indeed a most promising location very close to Navi Mumbai Corporate Park with over 12,000 crore rupees worth infrastructure development plans by NANA, making Arihant Anaika at Taloja a central address of future developments. Arihant Anaika ushers a grand luxury life too, with its extravagant lifestyle features like ultra-modern clubhouse, refreshing swimming pool, health club with gymnasium, indoor games arcade, multi-purpose sports court and many more extravagant lifestyle features and facilities. So, make a smart decision. Book your budget-friendly, luxurious lifestyle home by the green and serene riverside. Advanced stage of construction happening at a fast pace. Welcome to Arihant Anaika. Hurry up, book today.